Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free funded account for you to start trading your Forex account in 2025, alright? And I will be also discussing about the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. And all you just have to do is to make sure that you focus and you watch this video to the very end. And for more details, it will be shared in my Telegram channel and before the end of this video. So now let's start. But before we start now, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have subscribed already, I really appreciate your effort. You are my motivation. Thank you so much. Take your time to subscribe, like my video, share it with your friends so that they also can benefit from the no deposit bonuses and profits account that I have been dropping. So now the first thing you have to do is to go to the description of this video, the comment section. The link to get this bonus will be available over there. Click on the link and it will take you to my Telegram channel, and from there you will be taken back to this interface where we are going to be using to get our bonus account. And also, if you are interested in making money online in 2025 without you having to deposit any money, all you just have to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Telegram audience, and let's make money together. So now once you get to this interface, the next thing you have to do is for you to fill in your personal information, and once you are done with that, click on register. So now that you are done with the first step, it will take you to the second step, whereby you have to fill in your personal and address information, and once you are done, just click on register so that you can go to the third step. Today's third interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to select your wallet currency. So once you get to your wallet currency, what you have to select is USD. Once you get to platform, select the platform that is suitable for you. And once you get to your account currency, choose USD or the one that you want. And once you get to account type, choose micro account, choose micro. And once you get to leverage, choose 1:2000 and accept this box, fill in this box. And once you are done, click on submit. So this place, you have to copy this code because you will be authorizing and securing your account right now. And I will be showing you how you can do that. This is a part where you have to stay focused and watch this video carefully. All right, you have to download a particular app called Authenticator app, and I will show you. Just go to your Play Store or your Apple Play Store. So just go there. This is our Authenticator app. So now that you've copied the code, once you are done copying the code, just come here, enter, set up a key. So write the name of the code, enter plexi, put your code, the code that you copy, put it in here, enter, select time base, click on add, and you will see it right here on the screen. As you can see, this is it here, this is it right here. So click on it, this is the code. Go back, click on continue, and enter the code that you just copied. Enter the code that you just copied, 10440 10 10 4 4 0. Enter the code that you just copied, and once you are done entering the code, click on continue. And as you can see, our account has been secured, and it's going to take us to the next step whereby we have to claim our bonus. All right, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. So now this is the next step. You have to verify your email account, and a code has been sent to your email. The next thing for you to do in order for you to activate your account is for you to go to your email, copy the code, and paste it here. So now as you can see, this is the message I just received from them, and this is my code right here. The next thing for me to do is to copy my code and head on back to the platform that we are using to get our bonus. So once I get there, I'll just paste it in there, and as you can see, I have pasted it already. Just click on confirm email and your account will be activated. Now I'll be showing you how you can get a free $30 no deposit bonus. I'll show you how you can get that, and also you can always come over here every month to come and get a free competition account for you to start trading almost every month. All right, and I will be making the video for you guys every month, and I hope you're okay with that. So now to proceed in claiming our free $30 Forex no deposit bonus. All you have to do is to click on this three line to go back to your trading. Click on trading, and you'll be brought to this interface. The next thing you have to do is for you to click on create account. All right. The next thing you have to click on is to create account, and as you can see, this is where your balance is going to show. Once you are done creating the account, this is where your balance is going to show. So once you click on create account, make sure that the account you're about to create is a live account. So click on live, and as for me, I'll be choosing MT5 trader, and where you're going to be receiving your bonus account to is MT5 trader. So choose USD and come down. You can just scroll through, and as you can see, this is the no deposit bonus. You click on no deposit bonus. All right, so you can use any leverage that you want, and once you are done, click on continue. So this is it over here. This is it. Just click on create accounts, and you'll be surprised by what you're going to see. At this time, new NDP accounts are no longer available for your region. As you can see, it's only for this region. So new no deposit bonus are not available for our region right now. But if you are from another region, you are certainly going to get it. So once you get it, it will be shown in your balance. And now, once it is shown in your balance, if you don't know how to log in on your MT5 account, all you just have to do is to go and watch my previous video, and inside it I have showed you how you are going to log in your bonus account to your MT5 trader app for you to start trading. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned so that you can keep on getting no deposit bonuses and profit account. A profit account will soon drop. Make sure you stick and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day.